Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix file stream access denied problem in ChatGPT. Okay, now you can see your problems here. Fix it. Now solve this problem. Let's start. Follow my all steps. First of all, go to your any browser. Click on Chrome browser. Click on search. Search for ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Click on ChatGPT. Now click on this. Now click on TrueLine. Select your PDF conversion section. Click on this. Now download this. Now you can see your file is downloaded and error not showing. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.